Okay, fine. Okay, now I can do my video. I can show you. I'm doing a video. Okay, my name is Austin. I'm going to do fidget spinner stuff. Okay. There's this, that, then that. Okay, this is the hardest part. Okay, can you do this? Yeah, I've done it before. I don't know. Okay, you do this. Okay, so I can show you because we go over there.
Hey, Bray. Go ahead and dye your face, please. Go ahead and take your shower and your spaghetti noodles will be done, okay?
Okay, we're going to do something really awesome. I just farted and I was like that. I farted a lot. Okay. I'm going to do something really awesome to show y'all. Okay, which one do you want me to do first? Let's see. I'm going to pick one. Okay, this car. See how far I can go. Ready?
No.
Set. Go. Well, I was right there. Okay, now which one? Okay, let me reset. Let's see how far I can go. Okay, went all the way over there.
Okay, Bree. I'm going to get on here so you can have your bath, okay?
Okay. Hey, Brianna, I can show you my video after this.
Okay, I want to take a shower.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to do the off-duty one. Let's see how far it can go. Ready? Set, go. Went all the way right there. So, let me close the door a little bit. So, it was right there. Okay, now, see what's next. Ready?
Set, go. Hey, he farted. Now it's going to be in your video.
Okay.
That's nasty.
I know. Okay, you.
You better apologize to the camera.
Oh no. Okay, ready? This is the off-road one. You see, it can beat the off-duty. No, it cannot. Okay, that was short. See that? Okay, I don't like that car. Okay, now, see what's next. That car. And see, this is a Chevrolet 67. Oh, wow. Beat the off-duty one. Now here's a street creeper. We're going to do that one last. Then, let's see the next. Okay, ready? Set, go. So the off-duty, it was right there. So I'm going to give him an inch. Hang on. The off-duty, he hit, hang on. So it hit the car. Okay. So far, it's still a Chevrolet. Okay, let's do this one. Ready? Set, go. Now, let's see if it beat the off-duty. Yep. So the Chevrolet is still winning. Now we're going to do the race car one. The race car probably going to beat all of them. Okay, that one. So that was the inch right there. Okay, now you're going to do this. There's the last one. Ready? Set, go. So all the way right there. So it's not pretty far. Okay, here's the street creeper. Let's see how far can this one go. Ready? Set, go. Hang on, let's try that again for the street creeper. Ready? Set, go. The street creeper won. So who won was this car. I like this car. Okay, who was second place was this car. First and second. Then who was in third was this one. Who was in fourth was this one. Who was in fifth so hang on. Who was in fifth was this car. That's surprising. And who was in sixth was this car. And who was in third? Not third. Seventh was this car. Who was in eighth was, hang on, let me check. There's a tie. So there's a tiebreaker. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to do the gray and the yellow. So if the gray beats the yellow, he's going to be in second place. Okay, let's see. Ollie right there. Let's see the dirt car. No. So the Chevrolet goes back, and the gray is in second place. Because if somebody wins on the tiebreaker, they will win. So who won was the street or the Who won? He was in second. Can you show you what was the thing? Okay, Street Keeper was first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So the Street Creeper won. Congratulations. Goodbye. There's a creeper right there.
He's so mean.
I'm not mean. I'm gonna get you. So, if you like my videos, subscribe. And which car you like? You like this one or this one? This one? This one? Or 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 this one? Okay, I like this one. My second most favorite is, I like that one first. I like this one. My second one. My third one is this. My fourth one is this. My fifth is this one. My sixth is this one. My seventh is this one. My eighth is this one. Or if you like this car, don't get this car. This sucks. I do not like it. So which car you like? There's Ashley. There's Mama Yates.
Mamo!
Whatever.
You're just like it. Actually, you going up there?
What do you even...
That way.